Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to John's Life Venture. Today we will be unboxing the box that was delivered from Tesloid. They were giving me a free product from Tesloid. It's a camping tent for Tesla Model Y. Tesloid USA is a Tesla accessory store that serves in all the 50 states in the United States. You can order this in www.tesloid.com, and then you can, if you have a product that you like and you want to order, you can use my discount code JANSLIFE10 to get a 10% off on the product that you're gonna buy. There is a lot of products that you can buy in there for your Tesla car. In Model Y, they have a bunch. There's a tons of product that you can buy, like floor mats, front cooler, food bag, front luggage bag sets, retractable cargo, inflatable mattress, camping tent, trunk side storage extender, roof sunshade screen swivel mount, speedometer display, and there's still a lot more. So I'm gonna share with you this video in unboxing, and we will see and review it. You love to go on camping, you can use this while using your Tesla Y. Okay, we're gonna get the mattress, and then we will put the mattress in there inside the Tesla, and then we will be starting to unbox the camping tent. I have here my assistant here, Sophia. She will be the one helping me out in unboxing the camping tent.
Ready?
Okay, let me help you with it.
No.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's a big one. Okay. So, there is already like a bag that you can bring ready to go when you go camping. It's from Tesloid. That's their sign. So this is so cool because you can just bring this like that, and then you're ready to pack up on going on camping. Okay, now we're gonna open it up. Okay, so when you are packing up, okay, we're ready to go. Let's go. This is just a sample because we don't have time to go on camping for now since it's too busy. Okay, let's see how this works. It looks like you have to, woo!
Come here. Stay with mommy. Look at that, Ming.
We will be figuring this out how we can let this stand. I'm not sure.
That.
Okay, so
You open up that side. Like this.
okay, I think this is the cover. Okay, the cover on the side for the camping tent. And then
Mommy.
we have like figure this out. Installation and this, we can roll it up. In that way, there's air that's coming inside the tent. Roll it up. And the same thing on the other side. Here. Same thing with the other side. You can also put like, there is like a stake that you can use. In that way, it will cover up here. Like that. So this is like a camping, totally camping tent. The other one, it's the same thing. You can also roll it. There you go. Okay. Okay, now in order for us to go inside here, we have to open it. Oh, the other side is already open. Oh, we have to roll it again, Ashley, in that way. Okay, let's roll it. In that way, we have an access inside the car. There you go. Now you can go inside, but shoes is not allowed. We need to roll this up also. Okay, so you need to roll this up. Let's roll this up. Here. Just leave it here. There you go. There you go. Now we are ready to open up and get inside into our bed. So this will be our like a sala. So we're gonna get our chairs and put it over here. Yeah, we can stay here. Let's try to open it up. And our bedroom is here. Ooh! Our bedroom is gonna be here, and then this will be our sala. So we're gonna get the chair. We're gonna eat lunch over here. Okay, guys. So this is what it looks like for the camping tent with the Tesla. We were not going to take another tent over here. There is supposed to be like a tent over here. In that way, it's gonna get bigger. And also over here you can make also a tent to make it bigger. And then on the side too, on the side you can also put this. Now we are ready to go camping. So we just use the small size in here because it's too hot. There's the bed mattress. So you can use this extension for you to make another roof from the outside, and then this one you can also use that an extension so that it's gonna be a bigger tent. You can make this as a bigger tent. It fits the chair, the table, 2 chairs and 2 tables, and it still fit more another 2 chairs, so total of 4 chairs. This can be fit inside is this small tent. So this is what it looks like.
So hot.
You can put the camping chair. You turn on the aircon in the car. We can turn on the aircon inside the car. In that way we will get an air condition. It's so hot. It's so freaking hot. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Jan's Life Venture, and click like and click the bell button for the next notification. Bye! Mingo, come on in, Ming. Mingo! Cheers with Mingo.
He's not dirty, Mommy. He's not dirty.
Cheers. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.